Flutter animation on scroll. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Create a new folder in your File Explorer and then open that folder. Once inside the folder, open Git Bash by right-clicking and selecting the Git Bash option from the context menu. In the Git Bash terminal, type this code to open Visual Studio Code directly inside your current folder location. After VS Code opens, access the terminal within the editor and type the command to generate a new Flutter project with the animated list sample code. Now the code is ready to use, and you can also edit it as needed. For example, you can edit the height value to 100.0 and change the text content to testing in the appropriate sections of the code. After making your desired modifications, open the terminal again within VS Code. Type cd my sample to navigate into the newly created project directory. Then type Flutter run to execute and run your Flutter application. The system will prompt you to select which application or browser you want to use for your project, such as choosing Edge browser for web development.